Hi guys again, today we're going to deal with the horror of stock photos. You might have that forever problem of finding the perfect stock photo to use for your blog or for an Instagram story. And this tool is going to help you create those stock photos by yourself. Well, you can do this in Photoshop or in any of the other tools I've reviewed before. This tool does specifically this. It helps you create your own stock photos by giving you stock models, objects, and backgrounds which you can combine to create your own perfect image. Now let's just assume you want to promote your new blog post on Instagram. You can select the format of your post from this pop-down, and we are going to go with the Instagram story. And let's just imagine that we want to promote our new recipe blog post for, let's say, a cake recipe. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to look for a background, and you don't have to search through so many of these. Instead, you're going to just look for maybe a kitchen. Select your image, move it whichever way you want to. Then you're going to add some other elements. For example, let's say that your recipe contains milk. You can choose any of the given stock objects and place them on your image, and then just resize them according to your needs. And continue adding some other elements. And then if you're not happy with the way it looks like, you can just move the elements around. And then you can also add some text to your post. And the way in which you can edit the text is by clicking on the text box and clicking on the A- or A+ sign if you want smaller or larger text. Then change maybe the color. And you've got yourself a quick stock image. And of course, after you've created this, if you select another size, your elements will be capped. However, they kind of move. So what you can do is resize them and maybe reuse them for your blog post cover or another similar post. Then when you're done with your image, you can save the draft, just to make sure you have everything saved. Or you can export it and save it on your computer or share it with your community directly. And if you want to take it one step further, you can move the image into Photoshop and get all of your layers, not just a static image, but for this you have to pay $20 per month. And also if you look in this right-hand corner, you can find some other examples of similar stock photos that have been created by other people, just for some inspiration. Now, before I wrap up this video, I'm just going to highlight the most important use for this tool. Let's say that you found a model that has the perfect face expression, but you may want a background to suit your own needs. For example, you might need this person to be in an office environment, in the kitchen, traveling, or with a plain background. This is the best part of this tool, that you can use a person's emotions on different backgrounds to suit the needs of your own website, blog, social media posts. And of course, you can make the images as fun as you would like to, add as many elements as you want. This is all for today. Let me know if you find this tool useful, considering it's free, or if you would rather use Photoshop for this. Don't forget to leave a comment below, like the video, and subscribe. I hope you have a great day and see you soon.